Hi guys, it's KPZ Games here. I'm gonna be doing an unboxing for you guys. Yeah, that. So I'm gonna it's like got a helmet board. The charger will lead. Don't need that. Use the manual, nobody uses that. And the charger. And this is the bit. Bum, bum, bum. So I'm no longer need that. Take that back. It's now out of the box. Obviously, I've been using it. Well, not really. Not really damaged or anything. It's all done. So, yeah, spin it round. And, yeah, so these are that. And I'm upstairs in my room. And yeah, this is what it looks like. It's fully black. It's got the mud guards here across the sides. And then, just black. It's got a little dust in there. The website is, I don't know, this site is icecream.com. Yeah, icecream.com. Yeah, basically, here it is. And there's the actual thing is. And remember, nobody